It's time to take the hornets out of the tree. HHO gas explosion in the hollow spot of the tree. Gonna zoom in. We have 2 cameras rolling. This is the close-up one.
We're filling it.
Filling it now, right?
Filling it now.
What machines do you have hooked up?
We have the EP350 running in the garage.
Okay.
We have no idea what's going to happen with that tree. That should be pretty much in there, enough in there right now. We're going to do something.
Is there a blower or just the filling?
Just filling an open cavity.
You sure that's enough time?
Yeah,
Well, give it some time, fill it up. I don't know if it might be leaking out somewhere too. Not a balloon.
Like, do it again. Filling it.
I saw it come out the top.
Did ya?
Up in the very top, I thought.
Yeah. Filling it again. That should do it.
Try one more time, Pete. Three strikes, you're out, please. Or wasp. He's got those big hornets. Those are dangerous.
They're big.
Those are dangerous hornets. They make people sick and kill them. Those are real bad. Those are the black ones, right?
They're big.
The big black ones. I've been getting them at my house in the flowers.
See something come out the top?
Yep.
I think you should let it fill for a couple minutes.
Oh yeah.
I'm feeling it good.
Yeah. That was out of my ears. I'm gonna plug my ears this time.
That wasn't that bad.
You got me.
You're probably lying in the shed.
Right. It comes out that slit. You see that?
Yeah.
I'm gonna focus on that slit.
That's it. I don't want to do too much. I think we got it.
Is that it?
Yep.
One more time, Pete. I say one more time. Make sure they're gone. I'm gonna focus on that slit there. I want to light that slit up if I can. Okay, I'm gonna zoom right in there. Okay.
Do you smell anything? I could have smelled like
Smells like
wood.
smells like tomatoes or apples. That's what I smell. From the tree. That's it. Unless you got tomatoes, Pete.
No, no tomato.
Then it's your tree.
Probably burning walnut.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was.
Ready?
Yep. Didn't do nothing.
Didn't do nothing.
I lit the hose up.
Unless the hose came out of the tree.
The hose pipe came out because I seen the flash all in the tube.
Yeah, hose came out of the tree.
Did you?
They probably blew it out of the tree.
Well, go check.
Yeah, I'm not going up there. We're done. Till tomorrow. I'm not going up to that tree. Anything out there swarming around, I'm not going to get confused. We'll know the results by tomorrow.
Okay.
See if I hit it right now, it's gonna probably just flash in the hose. See? It's
Yeah.
outside.
Oh,
It's not in the tree.
want me to go look?
You want to stick in the tree with the shorts on and hornets?
They're not out. They're not coming out.
How do you know? How do you know if
Yes.
there's not some flying around out there you can't see?
I don't think they're out.
You got a flashlight? Yeah,
Yeah, the right one.
They're not out. Nighttime, they do not fly. Doesn't matter. They're not coming out. They popped out of the top. They are flying in there.
I sound like a wood stuff.
Still recording, Paul? Yeah, still recording. I'm on. Yeah, I'm good. Hose pipe. Pull it out. Yeah, it popped down. It's supposed to be up inside.
I don't see anything flying.
You got 'em. Here, let me zoom in with my camera. Hey, give me the flashlight. I'll walk close to the flashlight.
Okay, here. Don't go no, you don't need it too close, Paul. You can see it in the camera. Our hose popped out.
It was in that hole right there.
The top hole. Let me
Right
zoom
there.
in. Down, Paul.
I
Let's
don't
see.
see anything flying. I'm looking. Right there.
Yeah, I'm going in for a close up. Yeah, there's the hose laying on the bottom. Up, Paul. Center the hole. Nothing's flying.
They're not. I don't see nothing. I see
There's one on the end.
right there. A little bug.
One coming out.
They're dead.
One fell out.
One fell out.
He landed on the tape. Let me zoom in. That's it.
The tube's in there. Going
It's not.
down.
No, it's got to be up in the tree. Up. It's on the bottom. The gas is coming out of the top. You got it. That tube has to be up inside the hole, facing upward. My brother's being daring.
I seen something on the hose, like
Yeah.
it fell, like dripped almost.
Okay.
They don't come out at night.
Okay.
You want to do it again?
Yeah. Well, we're gonna put some masking tape, some more tape on it. Hold it in.
Just fill it up really good and do one last one. Should be good.
Want me to take the camera back?
Here. Put it over here, Paul.
The flashlight over there?
Yeah, let's get a close up from this angle. You can stand here and watch with the flashlight.
I'm not gonna. I got my earplugs on. I don't have earplugs on. This is ground zero.
I got some earplugs in the garage.
They're gone, Pete. I think you fried them.
That's where the hose was, just like that up in the tree.
If that fire came out on the top and on the
It came
bottom-
up here?
Yeah. Flash came up.
We got a hole on the top of the tree too, somewhere up.
Yeah, in the Y right there.
Right in there.
There's a crack right there. Comes right off the crack.
Yeah. So we seen a flash on your camera. We picked that up on yours. Mine was zoomed in
The
cover
bottom.
the two holes on the bottom.
And I
These
zoomed
two.
in on top.
Right.
Do you want? It's still filling? Oh.
It's not on.
Now, do you want to fill it up for a few minutes and one last one?
Just go like this.
I could stand back here.
By your ear, just walk up like this.
Well, if you're gonna fill, you don't want to be that close.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want 3 piece flying at you at 100 miles an hour?
No,
I don't think so.
I'll be back here.
Oh, you gonna hold it like this by your ear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, see if you can make sure you get the camera. You fill it again. I'll tell you when. I'll say 1, 2, 3.
I thought maybe it had an adjustment on here. No? I wish you could make it more centered. It's not really that centered.
Probably needs battery. It's not like how it is with flashlights.
Yeah. These are good.
Ready?
He said it's coming on.
Make sure we plug our ears before you light. Okay. We're close. We don't want to have our ears ringing. Make sure you say plug your ears and then do it. Okay.
Doesn't even look like anything much. It looks.
Do you think it's plugged? You probably melts it, huh? You got cutters? Well, let's cut it. They're not coming out.
We're thinking that the heat from the first 3 explosions melted the end of the hose. And at this point, because the hose is melted at the end, it sealed the hose. So the gas is only filling the whole tube up to that melted shut point. And when heat ignites it, the gas in the hose ignites and it creates that light, and that's it. So they're gonna cut the melted end off. They're gonna cut the tip off with some scissors. I'm gonna try the last and final big boom.
Pull it out. Cut it, put the new one in. Hold up, cut the end off. Alright. The plug? No. Unless the gas is escaping fast from the top of that tree. Now, I did see it before. It's doing all right. Is the gas coming? If you turn the gas on. If it is, then we have a big hole at the top now.
Okay, so Pete, they're saying that the end does not look burnt or singed or closed up. So Peter's gonna.
Yeah, I feel it.
Okay, he turned the machine on and it produced a good amount of gas.
Going in and going out. You want to put a little balloon in there? No. Put it in again? Yeah, put it in there as far as you can. It's probably dead. It probably blew it right out of the top. That's why it's like a chimney. It's going in and going out.
Okay, so they're just putting it back in there. It's not melted now.
Deeper inside.
So
Make sure you say plug your ears.
it's not melted. They don't have to cut it off. He put it even deeper inside. They think that they blew a hole up to where the gas is just escaping from the top of the hole.
Plug your ears.
Plug your ears.
See? It's going out the top.
So they think instead of the hose being melted shut, there's just a hole at the top now, and the gas is just leaking right out the top, and it's not building up enough to make an explosion.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's going out the top. It rises so fast. HHO is so fast in the air. It's quick.
So it looks like we're done. We can't really do any more at this point.
See? It's not working. We're done. Yeah. That's it. He said. We're done.
Okay, that's it. That's our final explosion. We can't do any more. The gas is just leaking from the top.
We'll find out tomorrow if we're flying. Yep. We'll fly out here tomorrow.
So tomorrow he'll let you know if this whole thing worked or not.
Or I'll be going up the top and putting some great stuff. Oh yeah, the track floor. Great stuff. So up top. So right from that top, there's a little hole. Top? Uh-huh. All that hot heat tank? Yeah. So they went all the way up there to where they're at. Blue water. Yeah. One up here. Big Jersey. Yep, right there. Look at some of them. Some of them are flying around the top. See? Right there, see it? Uh-huh. Yeah, they're up there. Yep. Uh-huh. Just like they'll come around. That's ants. That's ants. Yeah, this tree's got ants too. You got ants and hornets.
There's no way you're going to tell them.
Those are ants up there. The hornets are big. Yeah, those are ants at top. Perfect ants. You saw it light right here, huh? I don't know, but I think I saw it light up right there. Right that spot. Yeah, there's a carpet drain. There's some ink tape down there now. I'm just spraying it. There's soap water. Yep, there's soap. There's soap. Water, spray it, and the ants are dead instantly. I was getting rid of my neighbor's hornets in the garage. This is soap. Here's a 5-year-old bought a spray thing.
Yeah. Well, we killed a bunch of ants using vinegar and dish soap. They're little babies, and they were all kinds of babies.
I got them at the too really high. So it's time to pick up. I'm done. Pick up the camera. We're done. Tree won't hold any more gas. It's going right out of the top. Thank you. Peter Crunk, HHO Gas Technology. Looks like success. We'll find out in the morning. We have buzzing around that crack. That tree.